Lawmakers are considering eliminating the state income tax. Right now, the rate is at 5% statewide, but some state leaders want to take that to zero. WALB News 10's Quinlan Parker reports on the impact that would have on your wallet and the state.
That's more than half the state's general fund. There are a small group of states with no income tax. Committee Chair Blake Tillery suggested taking a hard look at tax credits and exemptions, which the Department of Revenue reports total $30 billion combined. The state income tax balances out the tax system. It balances the effects of sales tax and property taxes, so folks generally pay a similar share of what they've earned in taxes. Georgia already has the 7th lowest tax burden in the country, and replacing the income tax would not be simple. A Georgia Budget and Policy Institute report says Georgia would need a 12% state sales tax, triple the current rate. With local taxes included, the average sales tax rate statewide would rise to 15.4%.
And so what we wanted to look at here is how do we replace that $16 to $19 billion? $16 billion if we're talking about just the personal income tax, $19 billion if we're talking about the corporate income tax as well. And so when we look across the country and we look at these other states like Florida, Tennessee, Texas, they are reliant on the sales tax. So that is the natural option. We would have to basically triple our sales tax to be able to get enough revenue to replace the income tax.
That was Danny Kenzo, Director of Legislative Strategy and Senior Fiscal Analyst at Georgia Budget and Policy Institute. He says these 9 states that don't have state income taxes built their revenue systems without a state income tax. It's much easier to build a system than to just switch. Of course, something we'll keep our eye on.